When you start ProTempus in the morning, it instantly tells you everything you need to know about your day. Your calendar shows your appointments and scheduled items. Your agenda gives you the list of task items that need your attention. Let's assume at the end of John's appointment, we have determined we need John's tax returns for the last 3 years. As we build today's meeting, instead of clicking on the Save button, click on the New Task button. This will create a new task. Click on the due date. If you want ProTempus to start including this item on the agenda a week ahead of the deadline, change the trigger date. Enter a description of the required task. If you need to set up additional tasks with different deadlines, you can continue clicking on the New Task button. Once all tasks have been created, click on the Save button to save the last task. Some attorneys place deadlines on their calendar rather than creating tasks. We do not recommend this practice. The problem with placing deadlines on your calendar instead of your task list is it increases your chances of forgetting that deadline. If you do not complete the item that is listed on your calendar today, tomorrow it is no longer visible without continuously reviewing prior calendar dates for uncompleted tasks. In a law office, out of sight, out of mind can lead to a malpractice lawsuit. The biggest advantage of tasks over events is that tasks stay on your agenda until they are completed. ProTempus provides 2 ways of displaying your task list: the agenda format which you see here or the task list format. To toggle between the 2 formats, check or uncheck the agenda checkbox. Unchecking the checkbox will display your to-do list in the task list format. These 2 formats present the same data with different features. ProTempus gives you choices, allowing you to use the feature that best meets your work style. The most important difference is the task list is only displayed when you click on the Tasks button on the toolbar. You must remember to look at your task list each day if you are using the task list format. The agenda format will open the window automatically whenever you start ProTempus. You can close the agenda window. It will automatically reopen when you restart ProTempus. We recommend this format for this reason. When you start your day, it gives you a complete picture. The task list format does color code your items, showing those items that are past due in red. It also provides some additional options of the sequence of your items. Toggling between the 2 formats gives you the best of both options. Using tasks can also help you better manage your time, helping prevent you from overloading your schedule. When you click ahead on the 3-month calendar, you can see that additional tasks appear on your agenda. Viewing your monthly calendar and clicking ahead on your agenda gives you a very good view of your schedule over the next month. You can see the new task we created for John Decker appears when we click ahead on the calendar. Items will not appear on your task list or agenda prior to the trigger date, unless you click ahead on your calendar. The easiest way to create tasks is clicking on the New Task button on the current event or task. You can also create new tasks by clicking on the New Task button from a client's contact window. Tasks can also be created using the macro feature in ProTempus. This feature will be discussed in a different training session. Macros allows you to create a series of tasks and events based on an accident date or a future court date. Macros are user-defined and allow you to build your local court rules into ProTempus. This concludes this video. Additional training units are available at www.protempus.com.